wish that the temperatures were keeping pace with the price of gas going up.
That'll happen sometime, right, Art?
Eventually.
Instead, it's been paralleling the snow amounts
That's
going up,
right,
unfortunately.
right.
Speaking of snow amounts, you know, 24 hours ago at this time, it was snowing. And New Bedford picked up almost 5 inches, and Sandwich 4.5, and Plymouth 4.5, Worcester about 3.5, Boston just over 2. So Boston's 3.5 inches away from the record. However, there is more snow coming tomorrow night. I don't think that will be enough to break the record. Here's how I see that. Snow arriving in Boston, or beginning, between 6 and 8 p.m., which means the farther west of Boston you are, then you have to imagine it begins a little bit earlier than that. I see 1 to 3 inches of snow, and you go, bah, after what we've been through, that's like nothing. However, a couple of things about that. Number one, it may come in a hurry in like just about 1 to 3 hours, which means it could fall fairly heavily. The ground is still cold, so things are going to get slippery, and it's probably going to be followed by at least a brief period of sleet or freezing rain, and then ending as rain. So the idea is there will be some slippery going, quickly developing during tomorrow night. If we're lucky, we'll just about squeak through most of that evening commute in Boston before that happens. Hey, high temperature today hit 37 in Boston. That's still below average, but of course it's been so cold, some of you were saying, not that bad out today. Everything becomes relative, I suppose. But now it's turning colder. The temperature's 27. Wind is brisk out of the northwest, 14 miles an hour. Mostly 20s, although we're down to 20 even now in Worcester and Springfield, and 18 in Pittsfield. These are the wind chills because there's still enough wind out there to bring it down into the single digits in Worcester across Pittsfield. But the winds will be dying down tomorrow, will not be as much of a factor as today. Of course, the temperature is also sliding down. And tomorrow, maybe it approaches the freezing mark in some spots if there's enough sun during the morning. But in most places, I think 29 or 30 will be closer to the high temperature. So still cold enough that when our storm begins tomorrow evening, it will start as snow. But you see, it's getting somewhat milder to the south and still very cold to the north. So that contrast is spawning this latest disturbance. A lot of cloudiness and not that much precipitation yet, but that will change with time. So let's show you how it goes. Tomorrow it is dry, certainly to start the day. We get to about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It is likely snowing in Hartford and Springfield and approaching Worcester. Then we get to, let's say, about 7 o'clock at night, and the first flakes are just about to Boston. Then quickly it becomes somewhat heavier, but look, right behind it, that's the mix. At high levels of the atmosphere, warmer air is going to come rushing in. So that's why I'm only going for 1 to 3 inches of snow, because I think it will turn over to sleet after that and then end up as rain for a little bit, but not a ton of rain out of this. And in fact, it's probably over except the south coast of the Cape early on Wednesday. But that may not be the end of the story. Let me show you why. After that 1 to 3 inches of snow, and after a mild Wednesday, we slowly start to turn colder. And a little disturbance on the cold front may throw another shield of snow in here on Thursday. Some question as to how far north it will get, and then it will recede to the southeast later on Thursday. So this is all preliminary. I think some snow may get into this region somewhat more south of the Pike, and the most out of that one, which could be a few to several inches, would probably be southeastern Mass and the Cape. We'll have much more to tell you about that as we go along. All right, in the meantime, we've kind of showed you that, so let's jump ahead to the 5-day forecast for you, and here's the way it kind of goes. 7-day forecast, of course. Check it out, and there you see it. So we have our snow tomorrow evening, which then changes over to sleet, freezing rain, and ends as rain. And we get one milder day in here on Wednesday, but another period of snow is possible very late Wednesday night into Thursday, and then more cold weather follows. But since we're now into March, the cold air masses are not quite as bitter as February, but still enough to be below average. One above average day this week, and that's going to be Wednesday, sandwiched between a couple of snow episodes. Wouldn't you know it?
Oh, yeah, of course. It's got to be that way.